Welcome 7th graders, you are on task number 2 of the Rube Goldberg project, and in this video it's going to go over what you need to do, and in your design notebook there's an introduction paragraph to the Rube Goldberg, and so I'll read through that part together, and then you'll watch a Bill Nye the Science Guy video. You can sing the introduction song if you'd like and start dancing, but in the video you are going to list the different simple machines that are shown within the video. And so if you haven't done task number 1, you want to make sure that's completed so that you know what those 6 simple machines are and what you're looking for. And then along with listing different simple machines, there's a few response questions that you're going to be completing that are fill in the blanks. And your central question at the end of task number 2 is, what's the purpose of a simple machine? So if you go up to your design notebook, we are on task number 2. And I'll read through the introduction here. Imagine living during prehistoric times when the food you ate was food that you killed, dressed, brought back to the cave, and cooked over an open fire. That doesn't sound so bad if you have guns to shoot the animals and an ATV four-wheeler to bring the food back to the cave. Not to mention the stainless steel rotisserie to turn the meat over the fire so that it cooks evenly. However, we know that such tools were not available during prehistoric times. Humankind has worked harder for centuries to make life easier. Simple machines are a result of humankind's efforts to make life easier and to harness and redirect energy. Boulders once had to be moved and fresh kill had to be returned to the cave for dressing and cooking. Imagine how excited the first person was when they placed a stick under a huge boulder, sat down on the other end, and notice that the boulder rolled out of the way. This was one of the first uses of a lever. That's one of your simple machines. Over time, larger sticks and round stones were used to move objects and people. Advances were made as stronger materials were discovered, heated and reshaped, resulting in wheels and pulleys. Work is performed when energy is transferred from one object to another. It involves the use of force and the result of an object being pushed or pulled. There are 2 classifications of energy. Kinetic energy, which is a vocab word, is moving, while potential energy, again another vocab word, is stored for later use. This Bill Nye video will introduce you to the different types of simple and compound machines, their uses and applications. This information will be used in later projects when you design a device that will transfer energy utilizing the 6 simple machines, your Rube Goldberg project. So as you watch this video, hopefully you're getting a better understanding of what the simple machines are and maybe how you're going to be using them in your Rube Goldberg project that you'll be building in class. So to do this task number 2, you're going to click on the link to the side here, Bill Nye the Science Guy, and open up the video. And I'm not going to play the video for you right now. You can watch that on your own time. But as you're watching it, you're going to want to fill out these boxes here of what are examples of the wheel and axle, lever, pulley, inclined plane, screw, and wedge. So anytime you see one in the video, pause it and then come list it over here. So for example, I just saw in the very first part of it, it's a roller coaster. So what simple machine is that? As you're doing that, you'll also want to fill out this. It's fill in the blank question. So again, either pause the video or maybe have the video playing on one screen and the design notebook on the other so you can look for the questions as you're watching it. But you fill in these questions here while watching the video, and this is task number 2. So once you're done with that, you can fill out your daily summary and you are done, ready to move on to task number 3.